but I definitely don't see a check engine light, and I don't feel an engine miss at this moment. Not saying she doesn't have an issue, it's just sometimes we gotta try to duplicate the problem. Do it again. All right guys, you can see it right here. Engine raising up. That left motor mount's toast. Go the other way. All right, it's good. All right, I got the computer hooked into the Suburban. We're gonna go to Misfire data and see if anything misfiring sitting here at idle. I didn't feel anything while driving it, but we're just double checking it. Looking at the 2468, there is no misfires. 1357, there's no misfires. This thing is running smooth. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get that motor mount ordered, get it installed, and go for another test drive.